The rectangle is a 2D object within Viz, so I'm going to come into built-ins, my primitives tab, drag the rectangle down into the scene tree. I'm going to click on the rectangle icon and go into the rectangle editor. First thing I have is the use LOD. I can enable or disable the use LOD on this switch here. Second option is tessellation, and to see what the tessellation does, I'm going to click on the wireframe button, and as I increase the tessellation, you see how it increases the polygon count of this rectangle. We have a bevel on the rectangle, so as I increase the bevel, we can round out the corners. We have a width of the rectangle, which increases the width of it. We have a height, which increases the height of the rectangle. We have corners as well. Set to 20 by default. If I take it down to 0, we now have sharp corners. But if I increase this all the way, then we have more of a rounded corners. The corners will work in conjunction with your bevel. The more you have bevel, perhaps the higher corner count you may want. It will make it smoother. The rectangle is one of the only objects that has its own built-in color generator, and you can create gradients with this. So we can turn on use vertex colors. Once I turn that on, I can highlight a particular square that I want, come down to the color picker here, and use this to pick a color. Now I can pick any square that I want to color, so I can do this, and if I want to copy these colors onto different squares, I can just click and drag this down. We also have an HSV that we can use, and we have a color picker here so that when I drag this over any part of our interface, it can pick that particular color. We have a mode as well. By default, it's set to XY. If we go to XZ or YZ, it changes the mode of it, and to see what that's doing, if you go into the views, you can see how it's changing the mode or which way it's facing. If you want to get these colors off, you can just select the use vertex colors off.